9 gaslighting phrases and how to respond from a Harvard psychologist. I've added my own way to respond at the end, and I think it's the best one. You're being crazy. Please don't question my ability to think clearly. Or, even if we don't agree, this is what reality looks like to me. You're overreacting. Whether or not you agree with me, this is how I feel right now. Or, I would appreciate it if you didn't judge my feelings. They're mine and not up for debate. I was just joking. That comment might have been funny to you, but it hurt my feelings. Or, didn't seem to me like you were joking, and I'd appreciate it if you didn't talk to me that way. You made me do that. I actually can't make you do anything. Or, your behavior is a reflection of your choices, not mine. If you loved me, you'd let me do what I want. My boundaries are a reflection of my values and how I choose to live my life. Or, I'm not comfortable with this, and I'm telling you, not asking you, to respect my boundaries. I'm only telling you this because I love you. I appreciate that you love me, but I'm not okay with the way that you're talking to me. Or, well, that's not how I want to be shown love. This is all your fault. I'm sure I contribute to our struggles in some ways, but we both have to be willing to change to make things better. I don't actually like that response. Another one, I'm willing to take responsibility for my role in this, but I am not willing to take responsibility for yours. That one I like. Everyone agrees with me. You're just difficult. I would appreciate it if you would speak for yourself and not for other people. Or, I hear that you find me difficult, so let's focus on that. You know, the real problem is, please don't change the subject. Or, it seems like you don't want to acknowledge how you're contributing to the problem. This list was made by Dr. Cortney Warren of Harvard Medical School. Okay, so here's the best way to respond, in my opinion. Leave. Now, I don't mean just leave, but learn how to leave. Work towards leaving.